Hello, my name is Jonathan Galindo Rodriguez. I am from Florida Blanca. Florida Blanca is a municipality in Santander, Colombia. I am 26 years old. I like soccer. I hate cars. I work as teleoperator, customer service, and study psychology at UNAD. This is a typical day for me. I get up at 2:30 and immediately take a shower and breakfast. At 3 o'clock, I take my bike to work. My working day is from 3:30 to 10 o'clock. Before lunch, I sleep 2 hours. After that, I go to the gym in the afternoon. I start to study at 5 o'clock. I have dinner at 7 o'clock, and at 8 o'clock I go to bed to sleep.